the Intel graphics not open. Okay, we are going to solve this problem step by step. Okay, the first step for the solve this problem, okay, we are going to here, okay, the search of Windows, okay, and you, okay, you go to the devices, okay, and here, okay, and we are going to the of your here, okay, and right click and properties here, and here, okay, we are going to the controller, okay, and here, okay, we are going to the update controller and automatic, okay, search controllers automatics, and here, okay, you go here in Windows update and you search updates, okay, and you solve the problem of Intel graphics, okay, not open. Bye bye.